Word keeps track of a name for the person using the program. If you want to add this person's name into the document dynamically, you can do it with a field. When you install Word, you are asked for your name. This information is stored with Word, and you can later access it. For instance, Word allows you to use your name in the return address of an envelope or in, let's say, a memo like what you see on the screen here. If you want to automatically insert the username into the document, it's easy to do using fields. All you have to do is position the insertion point where you want that name to appear, and then display the Insert tab of the ribbon. Over at the right side, you're going to choose Quick Parts, and then choose Field. That displays the Field dialog box. In the Categories drop-down list, you're going to go ahead and choose User Information. It's the last option right down here. And then you choose Username. Now, I can do other things with this if I want to. I can make it uppercase, lowercase, that sort of thing, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to go ahead and click on OK, and notice that it put my name into this memo, and it's in there automatically and dynamically. In fact, that's the advantage of using a field to add this information. It's dynamic. This means that if you change the username in Word itself, the name returned by the field is updated as well. It also means that if you give the document to someone else and they open it on their system, then the field will display whatever username is saved on their system. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.